Got a broken phone or tablet? How about a laptop that's seen better days? If you're in Seattle, you're in luck. LML Repair is here to bring your devices back to life, fast, affordable, and with unbeatable customer service. Let's dive into what real customers are saying. First up, let's talk speed. When your phone breaks, you don't want to wait days to get it back. Ashley Al-Hadef shared, "Great service, LML Repair. Get your phone fixed here, highly recommend." Christian Schaub praised LML for fixing his cracked iPhone screen in just 15 minutes. Christian also shopped around, and LML Repair came out as the most affordable option he found. "This is the best cell phone repair place around. They completely fixed my cracked screen in 15 minutes. And it was more affordable than any other place I checked. I definitely recommend LML Repair. Not only is LML Repair fast, but they're also affordable." David L. describes it as a very reasonable price, and Israel Chavez agrees, saying the service was both fast and reliable. Plus, LML even buys old phones. So if repairing isn't an option, you've still got choices. LML Repair doesn't just focus on fixing devices. Their team is known for excellent customer service that makes you feel welcome and cared for. Sage B shared that when they arrived, the staff even helped guide them to the building, and many customers described the LML team as professional and friendly. LML Repair is conveniently located in Seattle. Shelby Lynn loved that it was easy to commute to the shop and had her iPhone screen repaired the same day. Fast, easy, and convenient, it doesn't get much better. So, the next time you're dealing with a cracked screen, battery issues, or any tech troubles, head over to LML Repair. Fast, affordable, and with amazing customer service, you won't regret it. Visit LML Repair today and experience the best in Seattle tech repair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.